Welcome to IP Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. In this video, we will solve the frustrating issue of Windows Update Service missing step by step. If you open the Windows Service panel, don't see Windows Update listed, your system might not be receiving important updates, which could lead to security risks or app failure. You can see your panel and an error encountered message. Now we can solve step by step. There are few common causes: a corrupted Windows file system, malware, unauthorized installations, manual removal or disabling of Windows services, failure system update. Now we can solve step by step. Click search button and type command prompt and open Run as administrator. Now we can solve your corrupted Windows file system. This command SFC Scan now. Now hit enter. Your corrupted file system are repairing. This is scan and repair corrupted file system. Wait for the process to complete. Your Windows 11 PC file system is now repair completed. Now we can go next step. Now then click search button, also going command prompt. Now this time we can click SC create bin path checking. Your code we are giving in description below or display line. Now we can change your service setting is completed. Then restart your PC. Then we can use third option. This command checks the Windows image and restoring any missing component. This command restore your missing component. We are again run it from Control S administrator. This process will complete very recent. It's short term. It's easy. Now we can successfully restore my service missing problem. Now we can check. Just going to run and open and type services.msc, then open. Now you can see your Windows Update service is visible now and restart your service. Then now we can check Windows Update. You're up to date. Just check for update. Now we are up to date. Thank you for watching IP Service. Like, comment, share and subscribe us.